Hello, hello everyone. Happy Tom Ford Tuesday, where Tuesdays we dedicate to Tom Ford beauty. So, you know how much I love my multi-use, multifunctional products. Get your money's worth products, right? Today I'm going to share with you a few of my go-tos when it comes to the Tom Ford multi-use products. All the details, all the things. Shall we? Happy Tom Ford Tuesday to you on this beautiful Tuesday morning or whatever day that you're watching this. I hope you're doing well, keeping a smile on your face, keeping that beautiful head up. We're going to have a great week, okay? All right. I think it's fair to say we all love multi-use, multifunctional products. One product that we can use to do a ton of stuff, right? Get your money's worth. It's something you're going to use, you're going to have some fun with. Why not, right? So I want to share with you today a couple of my Tom Ford products that I constantly reach for and do a couple of different things with. Now, of course, these techniques and these ideas are not just for your Tom Ford products, but you know, the love for Tom Ford runs deep, and we've got a Tom Ford Tuesday series, so why not? I'm just going to share the Tom Ford products with you. But again, you can use these techniques and do these things with any of your products. Have some fun with it. And again, that was another point of this series, was to inspire you to use what you have if it's Tom Ford. Or to just inspire you by the technique or the look. You get it, right? It's Tom Ford Tuesday. It's my favorite day of the week. I've got my energy up. I've had my coffee. But it's Tom Ford Tuesday. You know, the full face is Tom Ford. Everything we talk about today and everything Tom Ford, I will have listed and linked down for you below in the description box. But every time I reach for this eyeshadow quad, I just love how soft and pretty the looks come out. Rose Teas. Remember Rose Teas? The color story is just so gorgeous. It's so approachable. And for a little bit of color, you can still keep it soft and pretty for the everyday. And I actually really like that it's an all matte palette. I also have on my rose lip oil, which I'm running low on. But I got so excited. Have you seen the new Tom Ford collection? There's two of these. Two different one of these. Oh, and the embossing on the quad and the colors are just so soft and sophisticated. So Tom Ford. I cannot wait to get my little grubby paws on that collection. Listen, new Tom Ford is always going to excite me. Sometimes it's going to excite me more than others, but this collection I'm excited for, and there's a fragrance. So back to today, what we're doing today. Who doesn't love a monochromatic look? Everything's cohesive. Maybe you don't know what to do. You can play it safe with a monochromatic look on the cheeks, on the lips. Keep it soft on the eyes, and you're good to go. We love easy makeup. We love makeup that's realistic. We love makeup that we're going to want to wear. So this first multifunctional product, again, across the board in your makeup collection, you can do this. This is not solely a Tom Ford thing, okay? I just like, you know, keeping it Tom Ford because your girl is an over decade-long Tom Ford lover. The lipstick. This shade in particular, it's a permanent shade. It's just in limited edition packaging. This is 100-100. This is probably my most used Tom Ford lipstick of the year. We got the Best of Beauty Week coming up. Make sure you're subscribed. Shameless plug. Yes, get a lipstick. You can use this on your lips, of course, but you can also use it as a blush. This finish in particular is the Lip Color Matte. Now bear in mind, Tom Ford mattes, they're nice and creamy, super pigmented, very comfortable, not drying. But of course, you can do this with any finish you'd like. It's just going to be your personal preference. But this one in particular is a lip color matte. And look how pretty this shade is in particular. So today I don't have time, or I just want something cohesive, monochromatic, easy, just go for it kind of gig. I am going to apply my lipstick as my blush. So there's this Tom Ford guy that I follow on Instagram, and he does amazing work. I saw him do this little combo, little cocktail, and ever since, I love doing this. It's something that you can do on your no makeup days when you have nothing on your face, just your skincare, and that's it. Or you can do it like we have now, where I have applied my foundation, I've done the bronzer, we're ready for the blush, okay? Or you can do it on a skin tint day, whatever. You'll gauge it as you go. I'm going to mix in a little bit of my Shade and Illuminate primer with the lipstick. So here we go. Again, I've already applied the lipstick. I'm going to go in with, it doesn't have to be a full pump, about yay much, and just mix it in on the hand. What this does is it turns your lipstick into a cream blush with a little touch of glow. Not too much, just enough. Look how gorgeous that color is. So now I'm going to apply. And here's the best part. You can keep it soft and pretty and very, 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 you know, everyday, soft and natural kind of vibe. And see how do you see how just effortless that melts and melds into the skin? Yes, please. I've gone back on and picked up more product. I'm just going to build. So effortless, so easy, so pretty on the skin. And I know you have a ton of lipsticks in your collection. Pick whatever color you want, whatever mood you're in. Put it on the back of your hand, pick it up with a brush. You don't have to use this, okay? I'm just sharing the fun little tidbits with you, because why not? And apply. Beautiful, right? I love it so, so much. Let me show you what this lipstick looks like all on its own applied. So again, I'm just putting some on the back of my hand. I am going to be using a different brush to apply the lipstick. This one in particular is the Sheer Buffer from Sony G. So I'm just going to pick up product off the back of my hand. And you're going to notice that this application is going to look a little more of a soft matte and finish, obviously, because we haven't added in that little bit of glow from the primer. And this brush does a beautiful job at diffusing the product. So it's really, really soft and pretty and just looks like your skin, just a little flushed. So, 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 so pretty. But let's build it up so that you can see. So I'm going to put a bit more on the back of my hand here. Go back in with my brush, pick up. Do you see how nice and pretty it's just melting and melding and blending into the skin? So the biggest difference is just finish. Application of both is gorgeous, and that's why I love doing this technique. This is the equivalent of a nourishing cream blush. So on this side, we've got a bit more glow because we mixed it with our Shade and Illuminate primer. And on this side, it's just the lipstick with that soft matte finish. And of course, we love a monochromatic moment, so I am going to remove my lip oil, and then we'll apply the lipstick. On the days where I'm not sure what blush and this and that to wear, this is my go-to. And I had to share it with you. And I tell you, either way wears so well on your skin and looks really, really beautiful. We'll definitely suggest that you do a nice soft, because again, light layers are key, soft layer of powder over top to just, it's a cream product. Set it in place, keep it in place. Or if you don't want to set it, don't set it, that's fine too. Very light layer, because I am going to go on with another product to show you, you know, our multi-use stuff. And just like that, your nice light layer sets your cream blush in place. Another multi-use product that I do all the time and I've shared with you over the years is using your eyeshadow as highlight. Personally, really love using the wet dry formula from Tom Ford as highlight. And I mean, it wouldn't be me if I didn't use Nude Dip. So we're going to use Nude Dip as highlight. And then that way you can also see how other products apply over top of our cream blush. I'm going in with this Surratt brush. I've been loving this. They recently sent me a couple of things, and this brush. Two brushes, actually. So great. I'm going to go into this shade here. It's got a little touch of pink to it, and I think it'll go with the look really nicely. So again, this is the side that we used the primer, so it's a little more glowy. Hi. I know. I love it. And hey, if you ever get out of hand, because eyeshadow is a lot more intense than your traditional highlighting products, but a lot of highlighting products are intense too. But anyways, if you get a little out of hand, a little heavy-handed with your highlight, go back in with the brush that you applied. The brush. Did I say brush? You know what I meant. Go back in with the brush that you used to apply your blush and go right over top to kind of calm things down a bit. On this side, I'm actually going to mix these two top shades. This one is a lot brighter than this one, so I don't know. I just have fun with this Nude Dip color story, so I mixed the two. Yeah, wow. Nicely intense. I'm going to make sure to blend that properly. Ooh. There's just something about having a beautiful radiant glow to your skin. Yes, you look ethereal and juicy and nice, but it's just something more just elevated about it. So on this side, we use just the cream blush, no primer, so it's more of that soft matte and finish. And then I mixed these two top shades from my eyeshadow palette. Let me get close so you can see it on the skin, because I know you like to see that. It's so pretty. Yes. And just like that, we've completed our look. Nice and cohesive and monochromatic on the cheeks and the matching lip. Love that so much. And then a beautiful, beautiful glow from the same eyeshadow palette that you potentially could have used on your eyes. And again, you can do this with any of your makeup products. But we're Tom Ford girlies, so, you know, I just thought I'd share. We love our versatile products. We love our multifunctional products. We love a cohesive, monochromatic cheek and lip, especially on the days when I don't know what to do with the rest of my face. I'll know exactly what I want on my eyes, but the rest, just wing it. These techniques are very approachable. They're not something that is just complicated and ridiculous. It's fun to do silly trends for views. That's awesome. But I'm always going to share with you real world, realistic things that we're going to want to do in our everyday life. So go ahead, have some fun with your makeup. Enjoy using what you have even a little bit more. Turn your lipstick into a cream blush. Turn your eyeshadow into a highlight. Let me know what you guys think about today's video. Comment down below. Thank you as always so much for spending your time with me today. Happy Tom Ford Tuesday, everyone. Take a minute and give today's video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.